The name Mechanical Turk sounds like something out of a 19th century clockwork nightmare. In reality, it is just thousands of people sitting at their laptops clicking on blurry pictures of traffic lights. Amazon built this massive engine to solve problems that computers still find very tricky. They call these things human intelligence tasks. You might find yourself labeling images or transcribing a messy audio clip. Maybe you are helping train a new artificial intelligence system by explaining what a storefront looks like. It is a strange digital assembly line where you are the vital component. People often jump into this thinking they found a secret gold mine. They see the Amazon name and think the paychecks will be massive. Let's get real about the numbers right now. Most of these tasks pay a few cents. Yes, you heard that correctly. You might spend 3 minutes on a survey and see 5 cents hit your account. It is not exactly a high-flying lifestyle. The platform is definitely legitimate because it is run by one of the biggest companies on the planet. You will get paid for the work you do as long as the requester approves it. That is the catch, though. You need a high approval rating to see the better jobs. If you mess up or rush through things, your rating drops. Once that happens, the decent paying work vanishes almost instantly. The competition is incredibly fierce. Thousands of other people are hovering over their keyboards right now. They are waiting for the same high-value tasks you are. Those better tasks get snatched up in seconds. It feels like a high-stakes video game where the prize is just a couple of extra dollars. You can work whenever you want, which is the biggest draw. If you have 20 minutes between classes or while waiting for dinner, you can log on and click. No one is telling you when to start or stop. That flexibility is amazing for a side hustle. It just should never be your main plan for paying rent. You would have to click until your fingers go numb to make a full-time living here. It is more like a digital piggy bank. You add a little here and a little there. Over a month, it might cover your phone bill or a few nights of takeout. For someone who just wants a productive way to kill time, it is perfect. If you are looking to quit your day job, you should probably keep looking. It requires a lot of patience. You have to be okay with repetitive work. Some people find the data entry soothing. Others find it mind-numbing. You really have to decide which camp you fall into before diving deep. The reality is that this is a tool. It is a way to trade spare minutes for spare change. It is honest work, but it is small work. You are not going to wake up a millionaire from this. You might wake up with an extra $20 after a long week of effort. That is the honest truth about the grind. It is accessible and real. Just keep your expectations on the ground. Think about the sheer volume of data being processed every second. Every time you identify a pedestrian, you are feeding a giant machine. Some users treat it like a sport. They use scripts to find the best work. Without those tools, you are just picking up the leftovers. It can feel a bit dehumanizing at times. You are essentially a ghost in the machine. But for many, that anonymity is a plus. You do not have to talk to anyone. You do not have to dress up. You can earn while sitting in your pajamas at midnight. Your time is your most valuable asset. If you are making $3 an hour, you have to ask if that is really worth it. For some, the answer is yes. For others, it is a hard pass. This is the definition of a grind. It is steady and it is there. Just do not expect the moon.